Salam everyone, I hope that this video finds you in good health. Today we are making a curry using beef trotters. Take required amount of water in a pot and add in the beef trotters. Also add in a teaspoon of garlic paste and let it boil. When the water gets boiled, scum would appear on the top. Remove this dirty scummy water from the trotters. We're doing this to remove the unpleasant smell. Now shift the boiled trotters to the pressure cooker and add in some hot water as per requirement. Add in 3 medium tomatoes, 3 medium onions and half cup of garlic cloves. Here goes in some salt to taste, a tablespoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Don't forget adding in a tablespoon of ginger paste. Keep it on wait for about 20 to 25 minutes so that it gets half done. Here you can see that the trotters are half cooked. Add in half cup of oil. You can also increase the quantity if you want to. Next, add in the ingredients listed on the screen. Add in the required amount of water. Put it on wait again for about 30 minutes or until it gets completely tendered. Add in a teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of black pepper. Cover and keep it on low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. Lastly, add in half cup of fresh coriander. That's all for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget smashing in that like button and subscribe to my channel for more delectable recipes. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.